Welcome, today I am with HUAWEI Nova 9 and I will show you a couple camera tricks. So the first, I'm going to start with the best features that you can find in the settings, and after that I will move for these modes. So the first option that you can find here, the audio control, as the default is set up to the off, so we can use the keyword cheese or speak loudly. Let's try the second option, and honestly I used this option and it's not working perfect, so they probably have to fix it in the next update, but let's take a look. Right now I will try a little bit louder. Hello, take photo. As you can see, it's not working, but when you put it a little bit closer to your mouth, like that. Hello, take photo. HUAWEI. Hey. Okay, as you can see right now it works, but when you hold your phone like that in the normal distance from your face, it's not working perfect, as you can see. So, you know, when they fix it in the next update, they definitely will be useful. I used the option in the other HUAWEI smartphones, and it's very useful. But in this way, they will probably fix it. So there's another option, capture smiles. So let's turn it on and let's try how it works. So let's turn on the front camera. As you can see, the photo was taken. So this one is working just. Okay, we can also enable the grid lines and the horizontal level on the preview. So take a look right now. As you can see, the help grid lines and the horizontal level appears on the screen, and they help us to take better composition in the photos. Like for example, if you want to put this plant in the middle, you can make it definitely easier with these lines on the screen. We can also find timer, so it's basically delay for your shutter, 2, 5 or 10 seconds. Let's try with the 2 seconds. And as you can see, after the 2 seconds, the photo will be taken. We can also add the watermark. As default is also turned off, but I just try how it looks. If we can add our own signature, but unfortunately we cannot. So when you turn it on and then take photo, the left bottom corner, you will find the mark of your device. So we are using HUAWEI Nova 9 and there it is. And another option that you can use is location tags. So you have to tap on the switcher to enable, then smoothly go for the settings, and you have to accept permission to the location. So just tap here, go back, and right now when you take photo and check details by tapping on the right upper corner or tapping right here. Okay, right now it's not working, so we have to restart our camera application. Let's try one more time. Okay, unfortunately still there's no location available, so I think that we can just turn on location here. And then let's be sure that it's enabled. Yes, it is. Okay, so let's try one more time. Okay, unfortunately it's still not working, so probably they will fix it in the next updates, like with this speak loudly shutter activation. But in normal cases you will just find the exact location where your photos or videos were taken. And we can also use the ultra snapshot, so when you double press volume down button on the screen off, we will open the camera. Also we can take a snapshot, so let's take a look. Lock a device, double tap on the volume down button quickly. And as you can see, the snapshot was taken. You can also set it up to open the camera application. And we can add floating shutter button. As you can see, it's right here. And it works the same like this one. But if you cannot reach your shutter sometimes, for example, when you hold your phone like that on the one hand, you can just use this one. And to turn it off, just go here and disable this switcher. Okay, and I think that's all from the best features that you can find in the settings. right now we are going to move for the modes, and we are start from the photo mode. So when you tap on the screen, you are able to decrease or increase brightness level by moving the sun icon. As you can see, you don't have to use the Pro mode. Of course, you can make it manually by tapping on the screen anywhere, and the phone will adjust brightness level automatically. The another option, we can quickly add filters. Take a look. So basically they change the temperature and the colors on the photos. Like, you don't have to download any external application from the Play Store or App Gallery in this case, because as you know, right now the Huawei smartphones doesn't support the Google Play Store. I mean basically the Google services. Okay, let's turn it off. And we can also make the same with the video mode. I'm talking about this brightness change. We can also go for the portrait mode. Of course, right now I have to switch to the selfie camera. And right now I will try this effect that we can find right here. So take a look. We can, for example, choose the state lightning. You have to put your face in this frame and then tap on the shutter and take a look. Okay, it's not working, so let's try one more time. Okay, that's interesting, because normally it just cut out the background and leave only your face on the black background. So let's maybe try to use it one more time. I don't know, maybe I have to move my face a little bit closer. Okay, honestly, I just give up. There is another bug in the camera. And here we got the different modes. Like, it looks very close to these filters, the color filters, but you need more lightning, so I cannot show you. In the more modes, we can find the Pro mode. So we can adjust a lot of things manually. As you can see, we can find ISO, shutter speed, EV, AF, white balance, and manual focus. So if you don't know what is going on here and how to adjust them, just take a look. You have to move the sliders to change value of each option. And when you tap on the information icon, you got great the great tutorial, I can say. Like, there's this small preview how to use these options. Of course, you can also check the other video on our YouTube channel, how to use Pro mode and the HUAWEI Nova 9, if you still just don't know how to use it. But basically, you adjust all of these photo parameters by yourself. We can also find the high resolution photo. So we can take photo with the 50 megapixel mode. And if you wonder what is the difference between the normal and the high resolution, so take a look. As you can see, there's the box in the background, and I'm going to take photo with this high resolution. Okay, let me just take one more time, because we have to keep our phone steady. So yeah, let's make it right now. Okay, and right now with the normal mode. So right now we can take a look on the difference. This one was taken with a normal mode. And when you try to zoom in, you can spot some details, but not that much. And on the 50 megapixel, as you can see right now, we can zoom in definitely closer, and we can find more details on this box. So yeah, that's how it looks, and that's how it works. We can also find here the stickers. You have to allow all the permission, and then you can choose a sticker like that. You can also resize. You can put it on the right upper corner, for example. Oh, I just turned it off. Okay, here we can tap find another option, another sticker, and if you want to get it like that, just take photo and the stickers will appear on your photos. We can find also this cool the double camera mode. So as you can see, we can go for the picture in the picture, we can go for the double rear camera, and we can also switch to the ultra wide lens from the normal lens. You can also change position of the cameras. You can also front and rear at the same time, and picture in picture, as I said before. We can find also document scan. So let me just grab this box, and when you put the phone like that, maybe a little bit closer, we have to press on the shutter when you got this white frame, and right now the phone will automatically remove the background and only focus on the text itself. As you can see, we can also make the same, or maybe not here because there's the HUAWEI number, but I think that's the good example how it works. And honestly, that's all. So there's a lot of options that we can adjust here, a lot of good features, but a few of them still is not working. Like for example this mode. I will try to use it one more time. Maybe right now it will be working. Okay, it's still not working. Maybe I have to reset the camera. Let's try. Maybe I will put it a little bit wide. No. Okay, so honestly, I don't know what is going on here with this mode, but it's just not working. But yeah, that's all the best tricks that you can find in HUAWEI Nova 9, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.